questions 1 through 10 on the 2008 Grade 8 Gauss Math Contest. The value of 8 times 6 minus 4 plus 2. Order of operations is what you have to take into consideration in these kinds of questions. Brackets, exponents, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So in this one, the first one, of course, will be the brackets, and that is going to be a 2. And then after that, the next one will be multiplication, so that's 16. And then after that, you will do the addition, and that is 18. So number 1, the answer is C. A regular polygon has perimeter 108 and each side has length 12. How many sides does this polygon have? The perimeter is 108, and that is equal to 12 times the number of sides, and we'll let that be n. And that's how you would calculate the perimeter. So solving for n, it would be 108 over 12, and therefore n is equal to 9. So number 2, the answer is D. In the diagram, PQR is 90 degrees, the value of x is. So that is 90, so from there to there is 90 degrees. Now they have labeled that as 2x and x. So 2x plus x is equal to 90 degrees. So that means 3x is equal to 90, and therefore x is equal to 30 degrees. So number 3, the answer is A. The value of 1 plus 2 all squared minus 1 squared plus 2 squared is. In the brackets we have 3 squared, and then in this bracket we have 1 plus 4. 3 squared is 9, 1 plus 4 is 5, and therefore 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. So number 4, the answer is 4, and that would be choice B. When the numbers 0.28, 0.2 negative, and 2.8 and negative 8.2 are listed in increasing order, the correct order is 0.28 minus 0.2, 2.8, and minus 8.2. So the smallest of these, of course, is negative 8.2. And then after that, the next one is negative 0.2. And then after that, 0.28. And then, of course, the largest one is 2.8. So the answer choice is, the correct order is A. That one right there. In the table, what number should be placed in the box? So what they're doing in this question is, for each value of n, they're plugging n into this equation and getting the result. And obviously you would have to do that for 5. So n to the power of 3 plus n minus 1, you have to do that for 5. So 5 to the power of 3 plus 5 minus 1. So that's 125 plus 5 minus 1, 130 minus 1, which is 129. So 6, the answer is E. The circle graph shows the favorite ice cream flavors of those surveyed. What fraction of people surveyed selected either chocolate or strawberry as their favorite flavor of ice cream? So chocolate, 50%. Add to that strawberry, which is 10%. And that is a total of 60%. And they want it in terms of a fraction. So 60% is 60 over 100, which is 6 over 10, which is 3 over 5. So number 7, the answer is A. A number is multiplied by 5, and then 9 is subtracted from the result, giving 51. What is the original number? Let the original number be x. First you are multiplying by 5, then you subtract 9, and the result is 51. So this is what we have to solve. 5x will therefore be 60, and x is equal to 12. So number 8, the answer is D. Danny weighs 40 kgs. Stephen weighs 20% more than Danny. Stephen's weight is. So to get Stephen's weight, it would be 1.2 times 40 kg. And that is equal to 48. So number 9, the answer is C. The numbers 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, up to 13 are written on separate cards, and placed face down on a table. A card is chosen at random and flipped over. What is the probability that the number on this card is a prime number? So, how many cards are there? First of all, let's see here. There's 11 cards. So the probability is going to be something over 11. And which of these are prime? Let's just circle them. 3 is a prime, 5, 7, 11, and 13. So those 5 numbers are prime. So that is what goes in the numerator. There you go. Probability is 5 over 11. And number 10, the answer is E.